Diabetes and heart disease. Diabetes can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease in several ways. Firstly, high blood sugar levels over a long period can damage blood vessels and nerves, leading to a condition called atherosclerosis, in which plaque builds up in the arteries. This sticky plaque buildup can restrict blood flow to the heart, brain, and other organs, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery disease. Think of this like the pipes in your home getting clogged over time because of mineral deposits in the water. Secondly, diabetes can cause high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels, leading to atherosclerosis, and it can also increase the workload on the heart, which can lead to heart failure over time. Clogging equals stopping blood flow. Thirdly, people with diabetes are more likely to have high levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, and low levels of good HDL cholesterol. High levels of LDL and triglycerides can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, while low levels of HDL can reduce the ability of the body to remove excess cholesterol from the blood. Fourthly, obesity is a risk factor for both diabetes and cardiovascular disease. People with diabetes are more likely to be overweight or obese, and obesity can increase the risk of developing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and insulin resistance, which are all risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Managing diabetes can help reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. This includes maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, quitting smoking, and taking medications as prescribed by a healthcare provider. The takeaway here is simple: if people took as much care of their bodies with the same focus of maintaining their automobile, they will have a much longer and healthy, and happy life. You can do this. Join the fight today. If you found this information informative, please hit the like and subscribe button to receive more information on this subject. Thanks for watching.